In this video, I will try to add sound to my original video of which presents our new add reconciliation model module. So I will follow this silent one video to explain what I was doing. So this is standard Odoo OCA Reconciliation form with new options button add model, which means add reconciliation model. So this picture is essentially a specification to Claude Code. This one and the second one are the main input to Claude Code for new module. So this label is something which we want to take from current transaction, bank transaction, and to take that and fill reconciliation module fast from standard reconciliation form. And this picture presents our current reconciliation model in our database. I talked about that, but I don't remember now. What was that exactly when I returned to this picture? So let's go. Okay, this is source code of our reconciliation module and add-on to OCA reconciliation module. And this is a blog post which explains why this module is private repository at our GitHub at the moment. So it is published under AGPL license, but it's at this moment it is behind closed doors. Now I'm talking about I'm demonstrating. I think I'm going to demonstrate how to use new module. Okay. And I explained that this is not covered by current reconciliation models. So there is button when it's when transaction is new, it's not covered. Now we have that form to create new reconciliation model, and I'm going to add name which is better suited at Bosnian. It's Unicredit Bank, income from interests. I'm translating what's written at Bosnian. Oh, again, what's going to be written in journal line, and name of account. It's prihodi od kamata, it's income from interests. The main part is this one, to identify a transaction that it contains this string in label. Okay. This will be a really boring video, but it's better that mute one. Again, I suppose it will be better than mute one. I'm explaining something. I don't remember what. And now this notification is written to the screen, and we can validate, we can reconcile this new transaction. Now I'm browsing through source code. There is some part of JavaScript. It's full generated by Claude Code. Claude is good at. And this is Python part. What's next? It's again, I suppose, it was talk about our strategy at Bosnian market. And that's the end of this video, so I can stop.